Assalamu alaikum students, I'm Sarah Hashmi, your English teacher with you today. How are you? I hope you all are fine and having a good time. We are going to do some practice of pronouns today, but first a quick recap of previous lesson. A pronoun can take the place of a noun. A pronoun can replace noun or nouns. She is used for a girl, one girl. He is used for a boy, one boy. It is used for a thing or an animal. Singular. One. I is used when you're talking about yourself. You when you're referring to someone else. They replaces the name of two or more than two persons. And we is used when you're talking about yourself and someone else along with you. Like my brother and I are playing. We are playing. We always have an I in it. Now let's do some practice. Dash is my cousin. Do you remember the pronoun used for a boy? He, yes. Dash is happy. Picture of a girl. Do you remember a pronoun used for a girl? Yes, she. She is happy. Dash is a red car. Pronoun used for thing is it. Bravo, good job. Dash like my titty. My means you're talking about yourself. I like my titty. Dash are brother and sister. Options are he, they, it. He is used for a boy, and there's a girl and a boy, so he is not the right one. It is used for a thing, so definitely the right answer is they. The next few slides, I have homework tasks for you. Dash are twins. Your options are she, he, we. Dash is sleeping. Your options are she, he, they. I want you to write both these sentences on a piece of paper and circle the right answer the way we just practiced. Can you write them on the piece of paper? Dash is a pilot. She, he, it. Circle the right answer. Dash is the ball. She, we, it. I bet you know the right answers, don't you? Please write both these sentences on a piece of paper and circle the right answer. And the last two sentences for your homework are dash are brothers. Your options are she, he, they. Dash put my toys in the box. Your options are she, he, I. Look, this sentence has my in it. I'm just giving you a clue. Now write these sentences on piece of paper. Circle the right pronoun the way we practiced. I hope you will you will be able to do it comfortably. But if you have any difficulty, please write to me, ask any question. I'll definitely reply back to you. Have a fabulous day.